Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Surijit Acharya, a motivational speaker. So basically today once again I'm coming with the one more very good topics which is very new to all of you, okay, and I hope like everyone will like it. So before I start my topic, I'll just like to request once again, please try to share my videos, try to subscribe my videos, and as well as my channels, okay, and as well as like the try to like my videos and all also, okay, and try to support me. If you support me, then I feel motivated to make some more new videos for all of you only. So I hope like you will really like my topics today, which is about the truth of life, right? The what exactly the truth of life, okay? Many people's like we are all human being, so we must understand that what is the truth of life and the value of life, and where you can be in your life, okay, like what you want to, because everything is depends on you only. What you want to, whatever you want to be in your life, everything is depends on you, not depends on anyone else, right? So that will decide only what you are exactly. So I'll be discussing around 4-5 points, okay, which you may can understand, which is very common, but many times we used to forget about all those points, right? So I'd like to highlight about that one. So the first topics is that whenever you wake up every morning, right, every morning, whenever you wake up or whether you didn't wake up, either you have or only two choice each and every single day. The choice is yours only, right? And what is that choice? Either you sleep and go and continue your dream, okay, or either you wake up and chase the dreams, whatever you are having, right? Whatever the plan you have, whatever the goal you have, you try to chase your dreams, right? Because why? It make us lazy many times, right? Like when we are trying to sleep, okay, and we waste our lot of time over there, isn't it? So instead of wasting our time that much over there, you are having every morning only two choices. That only will decide first of all where you want to be in your life, whether you want that your life should go very smoothly or whether you want that your life should go ups and down all the time. So everything is depends on your, and choice also is your, right? So that's why whatever you have a plan, whatever you are having a dream, okay, whatever you are having a goal, also always remember that everything is in your hand, not in anyone else, right? So that's why you have to remember that when you wake up, everything is, the choice is yours only each and every single day. That only will decide about your life, okay, and that is very truthful for everybody only. Clear? The next point what I want to discuss, okay, many times it's happened, that is very common this point, okay, like when we are very much in joy, right, when we are very much in joy, when we are very much in happy, right, we make a lot of promises, right, and that time when the time came to fulfill that promises, we cannot able to do it, right? And that particular situations, what happened, it hurt to the next person also. So instead of that one, when you are happy, okay, never ever try to take any kind of promises, okay, or try to give any promises to the other people also, fine, okay. The next things is that when you are sad, okay, when you are sad, don't talk, isn't it? No need to talk when you are sad, isn't it? So that is very important, okay, like no need to reply to any other particular persons like when you are in sad, because in that particular situations what happened, we just need to quiet only in order to calm down yourself, okay, to understand the situations. And one more point is there, when you are angry, don't take a decision, because like they say, right, in Hindi, jaldi mein hi galti hota hai, right? So if you are taking a decisions when you are very much angry, that means you will definitely do a lot of mistake. And these 3 points is very important. Remember, once again I just repeat that when you are in happy, that time don't promise, right? And when you are in sad, don't try to reply, isn't it? And when you are angry, don't take any kind of decision. That is very important in your life. Clear? The second point, I mean the third point is that the point is very good, which I have written over here, okay. I'd like to tell you, the time is like a river. You can't touch the same water twice, because the flow that has passed, it will never come again, isn't it? So the time is very important. It's very limited for everybody, right? We cannot, whatever the time, whatever the past gone, it's gone, isn't it? In my previous video also I have talked about the overthinkings and all, right? Try to live in present, right? Don't need to think for the past. Past is already gone. From that past you already learned something, so think for the present, right? Futures also, too much overthinking should not be there for your future. Live in present happily. Try to go slowly according to your plan, according to your goal, whatever you want to be. Everything is depends on your present situations only, right? Because you are living in present, so by thinking about a lot of the past and all, okay, that really make you problems, right? And you comes again with the headache, okay, with the tension and with a lot of obstacles and different kind of things it is to come. So instead of that one, whatever the times you are getting, try to utilize it, that one, okay? Don't waste simply your time, okay? There is a one point is there, like procrastinations of a job means never getting a job done. Procrastination is a thief of time, okay? It's really that point what it say, that procrastinate means like a pending. If you keep your work as a pending, you are thinking to do tomorrow, okay, no problem, tomorrow I will do it, right? No problem, day after I will do it, but that tomorrow will never come back in your life. So whatever you have to do, you are having a plan to do it today, do it right now. Don't wait for the others day. Clear? Okay, so the fourth point, okay, very important, very good point, okay? A lot of people dream of having your life. A lot of people having dream to having your life the way you are. The people, they want to be like you, right? And you also, you think that I want to become like them, isn't it? So what happened over there? Remember, today whatever you are having, by the grace of God, you are having 75% of it. You are already rich. Once upon a time, when they, in the previous time, okay, in the 80s, okay, in the 70s, 60s, okay, what happened? Many people are there, they don't have even TV also in their home. You can ask your mom and dad how they live in their time, right? You ask to them, they don't have even TV, they don't have even phone also, isn't it? But right now, whatever you are having, many people, they don't have even that also. Maybe in your house big LED LCD is there, maybe in your house a lot of computers are there, maybe you are holding a very good phone, okay, but the other people, they don't even have this also. So that means you must be happy what you already have, and you want to have more, that means you work for it. What else you want in your life, isn't it? So whatever you want in your life, you have to work for it. No need to think that I want to be like this, I want to be like that. Obviously you can be like others, but you have to work for it and be happy what you already have. We used to regret, right? We think that, okay, my friends are having like this, like that, I'm very much jealous. Then we started to quarrel with our parents, or maybe you started to ask to somebody, me also I want this one, me also I want that one. All those things are there, right? Because the expectation is there, isn't it? But expectations, it's really hard. My next point only, it's talking about the expectation. Expectation is always hard. Never ever expect from anybody anything. You want something, depends on yourself. No need to depends on anyone else. Everything is depends on you only. You, if you really want something, then you try to work for it, you do the hard work for it, right? Whatever you want, you try to learn, okay, gain the knowledge over there, then definitely nobody can stop you for doing anything in your life. Everything is depends on you. But no need to expect from others, because this is very truthful about our life. We expect too much. It will happen like this, okay, it will happen like that, but when it don't happen, what happen? We feel sad once again, right? We feel demotivated, we are already totally broke, and we feel that the way is no more for us, right? But actually you should not expect in your life, because expectation will always hurt you. Okay, so these are the points which I really like, that the truth of life, like how exactly it is that important about our life. You must try to understand about these things. Okay, so I really hope that you like my videos, okay, and that's all what I want to discuss about my points. Okay, so if you really like, then please don't forget to share, subscribe, okay, and as well as like the videos also. Okay, and thank you all of you. Bye bye guys, take care everybody.